Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you, this is for the second time I'm going to make video on the Turnitin. And why I'm going to do that, actually in the last video I have told you how can you check the for example for the report, research papers or anything on Turnitin for the plagiarism check. And what you have to do, obviously you have to do the selection of no repository. Today, what I am going to tell you is that I am going to tell you how can you uncheck mark. You are not going to check plagiarism of the references and the table of contents. So what you will do that. So where is this option and how this option works? So let's have a look. What I am going to tell you, actually, I have made the sample report for you guys to check the plagiarism, and I have just copied it. I did not change it. I even don't write it myself. So what you have to do, I'm in the class, I'm going to add new class. I'm making it. So the class type is standard. Class name is, for example, sample plagiarism check. Oh, it's going to giving me the spelling mistake, but it is fine. Enrollment key, for example, I am going to take it 2024. The subject area is engineering and the student level is postgraduate, or it's up to you if you are taking it undergraduate. Class start date, class end date, it's not, no need to be worried for it. So I'm going to submit this, and it is taking time today, and you can see the enrollment key and all that, class created. So what I have to do here, I have to go into the check of sample plagiarism check, and what I have to do, I have to click on this class. When I have clicked on this class, then I have to add assignment in it. So let me add assignment in it. So I am going to add assignment, where I will get the option of that. For example, the title of this, it's simple check plagiarism, and point value, I'm just taking 25. Is no need to be worried for it. Now you have to go into the optional settings, and what you have to do, you can see there are multiple options are given on here. So exclude bibliographic materials from similarity index for all papers in this assignment. Exactly, I don't want this. Yes, I exclude this. So if it is checked on no, so you have to click on yes. Actually, yesterday I was checking my final year project report on it. So I have already done that. Otherwise, normally it is in the standard format that it is written as no. So exclude these materials, exclude quoted materials from similarity index. So you should click on yes. Again, exclude small sources if you want to. So yes. Word count, set source exclusion percentage. So you should go for yes or no. It's totally up to you. Allow students to see similarity reports, no. Enable translated matching beta. Does translated matching report, nothing else. And you should be very careful about no repository as well. And then these are the selections done. And if you are selecting for the rubric, so it's no rubric, or if you are selecting any rubric, you have already provided it, so you go for it. Otherwise, no rubric or form. So now I am going to submit it, and when I have done submission, so what I have to do, I have to click in the view section, and I have to go for submit file. And the name of the file, for example, it is going with my name, Shahzad, and the submission title, sample plagiarism check. Whatever the name you want to give it. So it's totally up to you. The file you are submitting will not be added to any repository. Good. It's done. Choose from this file. I am going to take the file sample Turnitin check, sample plagiarism check, and today it's yes, this file I have made it today. And now I have to click on the upload. I don't know, it is taking time, but we have to wait for it if it's not right. Now the file size is very small, so it's uploaded easily. Now I have to confirm it, And when it is confirmed, so you have to go into the assignment box. Go to assignment inbox, and here is the file, and let me wait for the similarity index. I'm sure it will come 100% because I did not write it myself. I just copied from the research paper. So let's have a wait, and let me wait when it is coming to be similarity index. So beep beep 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm waiting for the Turnitin check similarity index. And don't go anywhere, and don't forward this video because it is very important. I am going to tell you one very important thing with this video as well. I'm still waiting because it will take some time in showing the similarity index, so you don't need to be worried about it. Let me check it, refresh it again. Now it's 98%. Oh my god. Because I have copied the whole material, I'm going to click on it and let me share with you. Waiting for the response. Turnitin is waiting. I'm waiting for the response, and now you can see the whole material is copied from the research paper. So I am getting 98% plagiarism. And one more thing, what I have to tell you here, you have to go for the download. So if you want this current view, so you can download it from here. And if you want to download digital receipt from, you can download it. And if you want to originally submitted file you want to download, so you can download it. And the other things which I am going to tell you is that you can see here's the material or plagiarism check file downloaded. And now I'm going to tell you what these are the feedback summary. And when you click on here, no, you are not concerned with it, and you want this to filters and settings here. And you can see exclude quotes, exclude bibliography, exclude sources that are less than. So these are you are getting it checked here. If it is unchecked in the optional settings, so it will not be here. It is excluded. Right now I did not write any references in this paper, so it is not showing right now. So these are the things. How can you do that? Because some my colleagues and the students are asking about it, so that's why I told you how can you do that. It is 98% coming, so it is written over here 83% from this research paper, some from 11% and 3%. And the next video will be on what, how can you reduce your plagiarism, and how can you make paraphrasing in your reports. So this will be helpful for you. So if you want to check all resources, you can see here how many resources are coming here from which you are getting copied, and you can click on each number and you will get it, that where you have copied the material. So this is all about how can you do that and how can you show it. So 0, no flags detected for this submission, no hidden text, no replaced characters. These are some options you can check from here, that you can see that how many options are showing you here. And if you want a digital receipt for it, so if you want it, so I have already downloaded current view. So when you download current view, so let me show that view as well, that how it will look like. So it is already downloaded, and these are the plagiarism check, and you will get similarity index 98%. Internet resources are 97%, 28% publication, and 39% student papers. So this is all about how to check plagiarism and how can you go for the optional settings and remove check mark exclude plagiarism check on the references, bibliography, and table of contents. I have told you in this video. Hopefully you will like this video and you will understand it. How can you check the plagiarism in your report, research papers, and all that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you will understand it. This is the time to say you bye-bye. Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Nahid Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.